Hey everyone, welcome to the video. My name's Pete, I'm in marketing here at Hands on Table, and I'm excited to show you our new product, Spreadsheet Viewer. It's a JavaScript library that allows you to preview Excel files directly in a browser. It's completely serverless, so everything is done on the front end side. It's almost ready for the beta test, so if you want to be one of the first to know when it comes out, join the beta program. Now let's take a look at Spreadsheet Viewer in action. We've set up two sample apps for our demo to show you how Spreadsheet Viewer handles the original Excel files, a chat app and a project management app. And let's head to the project management app now. You see 4 files being shared in this common workspace. And instead of downloading each one of these files one by one, you can use Spreadsheet Viewer to click on the link and preview the file in a modal window like so. And you can see the formatting that is carried over from the original file. You see some examples of merged columns here, merged rows, another example in this column as well. Also, some data formatting, currency right here, percentages, cells with custom backgrounds going on there. You can scroll the worksheet up and down, and the chart. It's an interactive chart, as you can see. Title and the labels all in the proper places. Here is the button where you can download the original file and where you can exit the preview. We're going to do that by pushing the escape key on the keyboard. Taking a look at a second worksheet, second example, an sales pipeline example. You can see here, again, another example of currency formatting, as well as date formatting, and conditional formatting here on the right-hand side. Now let's take a look at how the preview does in comparison to the original Excel file. And there you go. As you can see, all of the necessary data is carried over, all the same data. So you get an exact copy of what you need to see. Let's exit that one. Let's take a look at the chat app now. Here you can see a conversation happening in the chat app, 2 files being shared. Let's take a look at that second file, a marketing file, and see how beautifully Spreadsheet Viewer handles this preview. Again, you have some formatting here, percentages there, decimals as well, and data in the form of totals, columns, and rows happen as a result of data being calculated by formulas. Here in the second tab, you have, again, merged cells in date and copy, and clickable links in these cells here, again, carried over from the original. Now, the greatest thing about Spreadsheet Viewer is it's a developer's tool. You can use an API to extend or customize the modal window. You can track activity of your users to find out which files are most popular. You can even restrict who can preview them. So a lot of different applications. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed our short tour. As mentioned at the beginning, if you don't want to miss anything, be one of the first to get your hands on Spreadsheet Viewer, sign up for our beta program. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye for now.